Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Zennio ALLinBOX power supply interface and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings for the IP address. Now, the reason you're going to want to do this, for example, is that if you're trying to locate a device that's not accessible on a local network because the IP configuration has been lost, it's necessary to do a new ETS download and introduce the proper IP configuration. So the way we can do this is if we come in, we have the IP factory reset button. If we press and hold this for 3 seconds, the device will adopt an IP address with the DHCP server. Then the factory reset indicator LED will light up in red. Now, if this doesn't work, then you can do a second long press, and at that point, the device will adopt a static IP address, and then that can be chosen on the ETS configuration. And when that happens, the factory reset indicator will light up in yellow.